Hi everyone, welcome back to FlavoursByTinski. In today's episode, we are going to make my version of guacamole, perfectly served with some tortilla chips for a Netflix and chill evening. What do we need? Small red onion, minced garlic clove, ripe avocados, cherry tomatoes, lime, cilantro, pepper, salt, and Greek yogurt. You only need 10 minutes to prepare this guacamole. First, chop the red onion and mince the garlic. Why am I using red onion? Simply because of its beautiful color and mild flavor. I know it's not the OG version, but you will certainly forgive me when you try it yourself. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. I like to pre-cut it into small cubes and remove the avocado from the skin with a spoon. Put the avocado in a bowl and set aside. Now you can already pre-smash the avocado and season it with salt and pepper. After that, take the cilantro and chop it up as well. If you like the video, hit the like button and press subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what recipes you want to see next. Squeeze half of a lime in it, but always roll the lime first so that all the juice comes out. Now we take the cherry tomatoes and finely dice them. I always take cherry tomato because of their intense flavor and because of the small amount of liquid the core has. So the guacamole is not too runny. Mix everything together and add 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt for the extra creamy texture. Then try it, and if you want to add some more seasoning, you can do so. If you like it spicy, I would recommend adding 1 jalapeno to it. This is it. Take a bag of tortilla chips and a nice cold beer or a frozen margarita and your Netflix and chill evening is perfect. If you enjoyed this video, click on the cards on the right to see more delicious recipes. Also, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time!